Take a video from like this to this. Oh, sorry, it's not this one. To this. See, let's start the plane. Let's get that right. Let's dive into the main point. Let's go. But wait, all of this was acquired with Capcut and my smartphone, not an expensive gadget.
Let's go!
First, set up your studio. Get your lights ready. Note, you can get a clearer video by adding light if you want to. Then record your video. Did you know you can still add light to your video and get bad videos? And just like the one I got in the beginning, I added light and I still got bad videos. So what do? Is that you have to drop down the curtain to reduce too much of light, then record yourself. Then after recording yourself, head to Capcut and edit it. After editing, and in case you miss how I got this fake background and the light, you can watch it in this video. Then you can change the video quality by doing this. First, go to filter, search for orange blue. But did you see that there are a lot of filters? But we'll look for orange blue because it is an indoor video. After picking orange blue, put your brightness to -5. Contrast should be +5 or +6. Saturation should be maybe +5 or +8. Brilliance can be -8. Sharpening must 80. HSP adjust to pop colors to any color you want. When you are done, you should have something like this. See you in my next video. I am Bully of Lagos. Bye bye.